It's true. There is a ton of data out there showing how fast the housing market is cooling and that home buyers are once again gaining control. And it's been a long time. Now, as you probably know, it's been a seller's market for a very long time. This, of course, is when you have a lot of home buyers competing on a few number of houses, right? Competing for the same house, of course, which creates bidding and overbidding and drives values up, drives prices up. And especially here in California, in the Bay Area, it really went crazy. But I mean, it went crazy everywhere, right? Idaho, everywhere, leaving California with COVID as well. Zoom towns, as they call them. Usually the summer is just a smoking hot real estate market, and we have a record number of buyers that pulled out of contracts saying they're not going to close. Something like 16% of all buyers in July backed out, believing that the houses they were buying were too expensive, with the fact that rates have gone up so high, and new construction is feeling this especially. Couple that with a lot of big real estate investment companies were coming in and buying houses, looking to use those as rental properties and investment properties to create income and profit, like Blackstone and Home Partners. They've basically started slowing down, if not completely halted doing this and not buying any houses anymore, which is really causing a big slowdown for appreciation in home values. So get this, we have buyers walking out of escrow, less buying power because of rates, less bidders because of big companies pulling out, and because of buyers pulling out of escrow, and just buyer sentiment is off. So I'll tell you what that does mean, especially for those first-time buyers out there, low down payment that didn't have a chance before. Boom. Right now, I believe this is your opportunity, and moving forward, you're going to have a lot of opportunity out there. First-time buyers, home buyers in general that have an opportunity for low down payment loans like FHA and VA, even Home Possible, right? For different first-time home buyer programs. And if you're not familiar with them, that's what I'm here for. I'm Garrick Wordmuller, President, CEO of Fresh Home Loan, where we're independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. Now, there's three things that you really need to button down your situation to be competitive, even in this market. Number one, I know you need a pre-approval letter, right? But you need a rock-solid pre-approval letter with a rock-solid loan person, not someone that's going to, have to get laid off in the middle of your transaction and you're stuck with, some bank that's going under, et cetera. These are all things that are happening right now. And if you don't want that to happen to you, I suggest going with an independent mortgage broker. I prefer myself, of course, but hey, number two, you need to move fast. These sellers don't want a 30-day escrow unless they want a 30-day escrow. But, they're going to want a shorter turn time than that. Values are dropping. They want to get out of there. So you're going to need a lender that can close faster than 30 days. Number three, very important, know the seller buy down and how to use it to get the seller to get your rate and your payment lower. We do that all the time. Contact me for details. You can also go to the Fresh Home Loan YouTube page, Facebook page, etc. And that video should be there. I'll make sure there's links in wherever you're watching this as well for that video. And we will go from there. I'm Garrick Wordmuller, President, CEO, Fresh Home Loan, Inc., independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. And we're here to help you get into that house. It's your time, baby.
Yeah, Fresh Home Loan Inc. You want mortgage rates without breaking your bank? Well, I got what you need. I'll keep it 100. The very best lender. We sell money, yeah. There's really no equal. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. I know that the pandemic's brought many problems. What we offer is better rates.